Hi everybody. I noticed that some friends had some questions about our multiplication that was a new assignment, so I thought I would quickly show you some hints to help you get by the homework sheet. So as you notice, if you look on your paper, the first problem is 6 times 83. And we talked about partitioning rectangles before. So the first thing we want to do is we want to break 83 down. We want to decompose the number. So if we think of how many tens and how many ones it has, it would look like this. 80 plus 3. And 83 and 80 plus 3 are the exact same thing. Next, we're going to draw a rectangle and we're going to partition it into 2 different boxes. And we talked about that. We're just breaking into equal parts so we can multiply our numbers together separately. If I had 83, it would look like this. Since I'm multiplying by 6, I'm going to put my 6 here. And now we're going to keep moving on. So now we broke up our tens and our ones. 6 times 80, and first we're going to say 6 times 8, which is 48. Since we have a 0 on the end, we're just going to add a 0. And then our next multiplication problem is going to be 6 times 3, which is 18. Now, are we done yet? No, just like we did this before, we have to actually add the products together. So we have 480 plus 18. Now, don't forget we have to line up our ones properly or we will get the incorrect answer. So we want to make sure we line those up. And 0 plus 8 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, and 4 plus nothing is 4. And our answer is 498. I hope that helps. And if you want, you can go ahead and try and do the next one, which is number 3. I'll set you up for number 3. Our problem is 9 times 49. Keep in mind, we want to break down our 49. We want to decompose our number. If I looked at 49 separately, I would have 40 plus 9. So here comes my 40 plus my 9. Since we only are working with numbers in the tens, we're going to partition a rectangle into 2 parts. So my partition rectangle will look like this. 2 parts. I would put my 40 and my 9 over here. The reason I'm putting 9 over here is because we're multiplying 9 times 49. So hopefully that's a big hint for you to continue that paper and finish number 3. Don't forget, once you find your products, you're going to add them together to get your final answer. I hope that helps. See you soon.